Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hemi again, consultant endocrinologist and obesity medicine specialist based in Gurgaon. Wanted to talk about when not to use weight loss medications. They are very much in trend, I would say. Everybody had been waiting for them for long, but it is important to understand when is it that you should not be considering them. First and foremost is if you have any problems with pancreas, any history of pancreatitis or pancreatic lump or anything at all, it is not a medication for you then. Number two is if the BMI is significantly higher, so if supposing the BMI is more than 40 or 45, then you should definitely have a very serious discussion with your doctor regarding whether medications or bariatric surgery would be more useful for you. It also gets down to the long-term effectiveness with regards to weight loss for these two modalities. The maximum long-term studies which have been seen with regards to weight loss and weight maintenance thereafter have been with bariatric surgery, especially when the BMI is above 45, and even for BMI above 40 as well, we have to consider seriously regarding bariatric surgery depending on what other medical problems the individual has had. So have a good discussion with your doctor on that. So these are the main areas where I would say that it is actually better not to go for these medications for weight loss and think of some other alternatives which might be available for you. Thank you so much.